In this video, I'll help you with the process of how to lower ping in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Lowering ping in Roblox reduces lag, ensuring smoother gameplay and faster responses to in-game actions. This enhances the overall gaming experience and competitiveness. To optimize your Roblox experience with a lower ping, follow these steps carefully. Start by accessing the Roblox account homepage on your laptop or desktop computer. This will ensure that you are ready to make adjustments directly on your system. Next, open the Start menu on your computer and type Roblox in the search bar. In the search results, locate the Roblox application. Once you see it, right-click on the application and select Open File Location from the drop-down menu. This action will direct you to a folder containing a shortcut for Roblox Player. Right-click on the shortcut and once again select Open File Location to proceed. Now, look through the newly opened folder for a file named Roblox Player Beta. Once you locate it, right-click on this file and select Properties from the drop-down menu to access its settings. In the Properties dialog box, switch to the Digital Signatures tab. Here, under the Embedded Signatures section, you will see a row labeled Roblox Corporation. Select this row and click the Details button. A new window titled Digital Signature. Details will open. Click on the View Certificate button to proceed. This action opens the Certificate dialog box, where you need to click Install Certificate to begin the setup. The Certificate Import wizard will appear. Ensure that the store location is set to Current User, and click Next. Leave the default options unchanged on the following screen, and click Next again. Finally, select Finish to complete the installation process. Once the installation is done, confirm it by clicking OK on all open dialog boxes, including the Roblox Player Beta Properties window. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your system to achieve a smoother Roblox experience with optimized ping. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.